Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Medvision. Let's discuss one question on the triangle of auscultation. To watch my video on triangle of auscultation, check out the link provided in the description box. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss the new update. So let's get started. The inferior border of triangle of auscultation is A. Medial border of scapula, B. Upper border of latissimus dorsi muscle, C. Lateral border of trapezius muscle. Comment your answer in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also join me on my Instagram page for notes and quizzes. The link for my Instagram ID is in the description box.